Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the Qualirey Solar Outdoor Motion Sensor Alarm, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This solar-powered alarm system is designed to provide an energy-efficient, effective solution for deterring unwanted animals and intruders from your garden, yard, or property. The Qualirey Solar Outdoor Motion Sensor Alarm comes as a 2-pack, each unit capable of producing a loud 129 dB noise with 13 different sound options ranging from piercing alarms to dog barks and even gunshot sounds. This variety in sounds enhances its deterrent effect by preventing animals or intruders from getting used to a single alarm tone. The system is solar-powered, meaning it harnesses sunlight to recharge its built-in 3.7 V, 1,200 mAh polymer battery, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes and ensuring continuous operation in outdoor environments. One of the standout features is its versatility. It offers 4 working modes: 24-hour motion sensor with sound and flashing lights, motion sensor with flashing lights only, and 2 night-only modes that activate sound and/or flashing lights. This flexibility allows users to customize the alarm to fit their specific needs, whether it's constant monitoring or nighttime protection. Installation is straightforward, with the ability to mount the alarms either on the ground or on fences and walls, making it adaptable for various outdoor settings such as farms, orchards, yards, or warehouses. The device is weather-resistant and built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, ensuring durability and long-term use. Pros: solar-powered for energy efficiency and eco-friendliness. Loud 129 dB alarm with 13 different sound options for effective deterrence. For versatile modes to tailor operation to your needs. Weather-resistant and durable design. Easy installation on ground or fence. Comes in a 2-pack for wider coverage. Cons: solar charging requires sufficient sunlight, so performance may vary in shaded or low-light areas. The loud alarm might be disruptive in densely populated neighborhoods if not carefully placed. Overall, the Qualirey Solar Outdoor Motion Sensor Alarm is a robust and versatile choice for anyone looking to protect their outdoor spaces from animals and intruders with minimal maintenance. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to secure your set today.